live here at Invictus Business Section at kasama po natin laging sumusuporta po sa mga ganitong activity ang ating minamahal na Senador Cynthia Villar. Magandang araw po, ma'am.
Good evening. I'm glad you're here with us dito sa Invictus. They are good friends.
So ano po ang naging contribution po ng isang Senador Cynthia Villar po? Why you always support this activity, Senator?
Kasi di ba privately we have we are a developer of real estate, so marami sila nagsusupply sa amin. Kaya kaibigan ko sila.
Mahal na mahal po nila kayo. So ma'am, batiin lang po natin yung organizer siyempre at sa lahat po ng ating mga bisita ngayon.
I wish to congratulate Aldrin Chua, the president of Invictus, the Association of Construction Supplier, Mayor Thriving Chris. Natutuwa ako na ang babata nila, they have businesses to run. And I hope it will be a good indication the country will progress because young people are building businesses in the Philippines.
Wow, thank you very much, Senador. At siyempre ho, salamat po sa exhibit today. At ma'am, pa-shoutout daw po yung aming executive producer, Mr. Rick Angeles po.
We wish to thank Mr. Angeles for supporting this Invictus and this support for the construction supplier of the Philippines.
Thank you very much, ma'am. God bless po always. Thank you. Ito po si Brother Hernan Falcon, nag-uulat po para po sa exhibit today. God bless you po.